Let's look at body regions, and first we broke down body quadrants, but now body regions are how we split up the abdomen even more specifically, and they are used when diagnosing problems, but there's not 4 of them, there's 9 of them, and they're in relation to organs and structures in your abdominal cavity, so I'm going to draw some of them in gray so it's easier to understand. First, we're going to draw the ribs, and this is where about the ribs will be. And then there's going to be the stomach right here. And then there's going to be the pelvic bones, or the ilium, right here. Okay, so the first body region to label is going to be the upper right, and that is going to be the right hypochondriac region. Now, what does hypochondriac mean? Well, let me write it. So, iac means pertaining to, and hypo means below, and chondr means cartilage. So below cartilage area is the hypochondriac region, and it's labeled like that because it's below the ribs, which are full of cartilage. So if that side is the right, the other side is going to be the left hypochondriac. And then in between, we have the epigastric region, and this is really easy to remember because the stomach is right here. So epigastric, well, epi is above or on top, and so epigastric would be on top of the stomach because gastric means stomach. Okay, and then on either side of the middle area is going to be the lumbar regions, okay? And this is easy to remember because the lumbar is the part of the spine that pertains to this area. So this is going to be the right lumbar region, and then the other side is going to be the left lumbar, and then right in the middle is going to be the umbilical region, and this is just where the belly button is, so you can just wonder where would the belly button be and then label the umbilical region. And then below the lumbar regions you're going to find the iliac regions, and that is really easy to remember because the ilium is the bone right here, so the iliac regions would be where the bone is. So you can say right iliac, and then left iliac region. And then in the middle, you're going to find the hypogastric region below the stomach. And it's going to be hypogastric and not endogastric, because oftentimes we see epi and then we see endo, but this would be wrong because it's not inside the stomach, it's below the stomach. All right, so that is for body regions.